Hey guys, so yesterday was Earth Day and it was beautiful outside. It was a great day to go outside and just enjoy nature and flowers and the sun and the pretty white clouds. So I haven't read to you for a while, so I went to get some more books because I was running out of books. Honestly, I was out of books that I wanted to read. So um, I got some more books and I thought, oh, I'll read this one for Earth Day because, we're trashing the earth and we shouldn't do it. And then I read it and I was like, that is a terrible book for Earth Day because it basically just talks about how much trash people make and how trash trucks come and take it away. But the book never talks about where away is and what happens to it. So it's kind of an ironically terrible Earth Day book because we're making so much trash. And a lot of the things that they throw away in this book are recyclable or reusable. And it just, so I'm going to read it. And I don't know, maybe I'm getting a little crazy locked up in my house over here. It's called Trash Trucks by Daniel Kirk. Trash trucks. The pictures are kind of cool. This book is for Jonah and Toby and Lucas. We said, shh, not a sound. It's daybreak in our dirty town. Wildlife prowls the grimy street. A rumble rises from the heat. Are they beasts or great machines that feast to keep our city clean? There's no need to turn and flee. Now's our chance. Let's go and see. So they think by keeping all their trash in trash dumpsters and trucks that their city's clean. But I think what makes your city clean are trees and flowers and people riding bikes. The trash trucks, trash trucks, trash trucks. There's a lot of them. And they're pretty excited about it. Sorry. Who makes a mess at work and play? Who bags the junk to throw away? We make the mess, we put it out. Give that to us, the trash trucks shout. So stand back, Kim, and watch out, Pete. Trash trucks are here. It's time to eat. Bump 'em, grind 'em, gnash 'em, mash 'em, chew 'em up, and gulp 'em down. The trucks have teeth and claws like lions. Hear their roar all over town. My nephew wanted to ride on trash trucks every time they went by when he was a little kid. And I am extremely grateful when our trash gets collected every week. But every week I feel a little bit bad that maybe I could have less trash. Mighty muscled men have chained 'em, but fearsome hunger drives 'em on. Dash 'em, smash 'em, massive jaws. Look out. Like that, your trash is gone. You ever stand back and watch the trash go into those giant trash trucks? Rattle, hoisting up the cans, batter out the garbage spews, crunch. Now that grinding sound, shake. He's shaking just like you. But stay back, kids, safe on the curb. Don't get too close. Do not disturb. So you have to watch from a safe distance. The trash trucks, trash trucks, trash trucks. They're so excited. Here's one big hungry diesel beast, chomping down his garbage feast, while two more snort and sniff the air and catch the scent that's drifting there. The pair arrive, but it's too late. I'm sorry, boys, it's all been ate. I think that's supposed to be eaten. But I know where there's trash enough to feed a dozen rigs. Where can they find more trash? I'll race you down to Cherry Street. Let's go, you garbage pigs. There's old toys and paper and food, cans. Cherry Street. Now here comes Kim with her pal Pete. They haul their rubbish to the street and heave it. With a noisy crash, it lands atop the wall of trash. But then the wiggling, jiggling heap of garbage starts to fall. The frightened children hear a shout, "Look out!" The trash trucks call. So imagine if our trash, or our rubbish as they call it, was not collected. It would just pile up everywhere. For down the road 3 trash trucks speed to sound out the alarm. They hurtle through a rain of junk and save the kids from harm. The kids appear to be holding on to the speeding trash truck. 3 cheers for trash trucks with their mighty jaws of steel. Hip, hip, hooray, another day, another messy meal. Slobber, watch those sloppy jaws. Dribble, careful where you stand. Rumble, do you dare to peek? Drip, please, please come back next week. So every week, week after week, we just keep making more trash. Even, I don't know if you see Mona Lisa in there, but apparently she's got some trash going on. And the Statue of Liberty and Santa Claus. We all make trash, but our trash trucks come and take it away. But I think our goal is to not put trash in trash trucks that could actually turn into soil or be reused for something else. So if you're recycling or composting, yay! Or even better, if you're reusing. And you know what's even better than reusing something? Don't buy it at all. That's called reducing. That's your first R. Reduce. And if you have to have it, use it over and over and over again. And then if at some point you can't use it anymore, give it away so someone else can reuse it, or recycle it so it can become something new and it doesn't go in the trash. But thank goodness for trash trucks. Bye, guys.